Hello and welcome to Market in a Minute. June the 26th, 2025. Asia Pacific markets can't catch a break, can they? First it was tariff shocks, then it was Middle East wars, and now US President Donald Trump once again publicly rubbishing Fed Chair Jerome Powell and spooking global markets all over the place. But sometimes that's the price to be paid for emerging markets' addiction to risk capital. Of all the Asian equity markets we follow over here regularly, only India and Japan are up, the rest are down. KSC 100 is also down, more than 700 points. So let's see what happened over here. So this is where we are today. The market clearly failed to capitalize on the post-ceasefire euphoria, and here we are, dropping 715 points. It's almost formed an evening doji star of sorts. Not quite, for that this candle would have had to come down a little further, down here, but it's still a loss of 715 points. Very significant. So as we said, that just as the downside was event-driven, the upside too of the last few days was event-driven and very much transitory. And now that we are back to market basics, what I see over here is of fundamental value is the RSI turned before 60. It didn't even turn at 60, it turned before 60. Of course, it can still go back up, but for now it shows that the market does not have the momentum necessary for a run for this move. The June 12th high. Let's first look at the day's market behavior. This is the hourly chart. This was the first hour's range, and the market went down after that. So once again approaching the 50-period exponential moving average on the 1 hour chart. But since we're looking at the RSI over here, let's go down a little bit more first on the 3 hour chart. This is today's activity. And even here, the momentum did not cross 60. Very important point. Going further down, drilling down to the 1 hour chart, in it, the RSI momentum factor did cross 60 for a while, but turned back down. So this right now is the most major point of concern for me. Just as in the build-up of the last few weeks, June 12th high, we were noticing RSI struggling to cross 60. This is a very crucial point. So now, even though the index is still above all major moving averages and volatility is now once again slowly beginning to decline, ATR is now again still above 2,000 points, but less than a few days ago. The main point is that the market right now is still struggling to find the momentum that it needs to go for this last high and probably make a higher high. So this, once again, as in the last 2-3 weeks, is the crucial point right now. The market and its momentum, especially the 60 point of the RSI. So stay focused. Thank you.